Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very quickly and easily turn off notifications from Instagram app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes below the video and be sure to write your comments. So let's get started with you and me. And if you're tired of the constant notifications from Instagram, I'm going to show you a few methods on how you can turn them off. First, please open the Instagram app itself, and then on the bottom right, click on your image to open your page. Now on the top right, click on the three bars to open settings, and in the settings you'll be interested in an option called notifications. Click on it, and here you will see a list of different types of notifications that you can enable or disable. For example, notifications from posts, stories, or comments. You open this section, and the only thing you have to do is click here against the word disable. And you'll need to do the same with all kinds of notifications. And also with calls and messages and so on. Or you can choose only those notifications that you do not need and leave only messages and calls. But what if you want to quickly and with one touch disable absolutely all notifications that may come from Instagram? Then I recommend you to open the settings on your iPhone. Swipe down, tap on the app. Find Instagram, open it and go to the notifications option. And here, friends, in order for you to turn off all the notifications that you might be getting, the only thing you have to do is turn off the very first option by clicking on the button. This way, as you can see, immediately absolutely all menus and types of notifications disappear and they won't bother you anymore. This is how you can easily turn off any Instagram notifications on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes under the video and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.